Welcome to a new Nubimetrics tutorial. Today you are going to learn how to use the keywords to your advantage. To access this information, you will have to go to the Keywords Research menu, select the desired month and category, and once that is determined, the most searched words in the marketplace will be displayed. The first box will be for today and the second one is for the month selected. Take into consideration that the search bar within these boxes will help you filter the desired words to see exactly in which position they are. Let's take a look. The numbers with arrows let you know the position in which those words were the previous month, and the number of listings let you know how many active listings have those words included in their title. Hence, the competition that those words have right now. So this is an extremely important part of the platform since it will help you create the best possible title for your listing, taking into consideration that the most searched words and how much competition you have for those words. Remember that once you create the title, there is no editing, so keep in mind this menu before publishing. Hope this tutorial has helped. See you in the next one.